Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region, and I'm joined today by Mario Fornarola. He is the Electrical Design Manager for Andritz Diatec. Mario, welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much. I'm happy to enjoy with you during this interview with Rockwell.
Mario, today we're here to talk about engineering the future of industrial performance through collaboration. But before we get into the topic, could you tell me a little bit about your company?
Andritz Diatec, it's a company was born since 1992, more or less. We are in the sector of the converted hygienic absorbent products. Then we make machines, automatic machines, okay, to produce this kind of products for hygienic absorbent in all the world, basically. Then we are not focused in just some small market, but we are a worldwide company, basically. And we are together with the Andritz network, help us to be very capillary. Let's say we are present in many parts of the world, okay, from Asia to Europe to USA, etc.
Perfect. Mario, let's get into the topic. When you look at machine design today, what's fundamentally different from even a decade ago, and why should executives care about that?
Wow. If we look back 10 years ago, we can say really there is a big, great evolutions in machine. Just consider, for example, the old evolution with the AI technology, for example, just speaking about just some topics like this. But the same way, now if you see machines are basically software defined in basically data driven, then I mean the introduction of the new machine with all this new technology um, uh, requests us to be aligned to the technology in the market. In this sense, Rockwell Automation give us the full, complete support to follow all these steps in the machine life and technology.
That's a good bit concrete foundation for our discussion. Let's dig a little bit deeper. Many companies talk about digital engineering, but results can vary, right? From your experience, what separates real transformation from just experimentation?
Well, I think real transformation it's possible if there is a concrete technology engineering in back of it. In this sense, also we see always the support that we receive from the Rockwell world and help us to go ahead during long this to this way.
Right. All right. As machines become more complex and timelines get shorter, how should leaders rethink risk across design and commissioning? What would be your advice?
Risk must be managed from the beginning. We cannot lose time waiting when the, let's say, a project is already done already. In this sense, it's important to manage this situation early and not waiting when you have complete the commissioning of the machines. Always in this sense, it's important to have our provider to support us to, let's say, help in this sense of the as we were saying about the best of the evolution of the machine.
Mario, what turns a supplier relationship into a true engineering partnership, and why does that matter for long-term performance?
Well, here it's important a real transformation. It's when we have concrete, basically concrete engineering together. Then it's important to have a complete support because as we were saying before, imagine you cannot be losing time, especially now when times are ready. There is a lot of exigence to have concrete everything in shorter times. Your final project.
Makes sense. Last question for you. Looking forward, what capabilities or ways of thinking will matter most for organizations that want to future proof their machines?
Well, here we need to take care to have the support of a strong supplier. In this case, we see in Rockwell, for example, in the roadmap of the next steps that they will be reaching, this will help us to have to let's say to support to have a stable, especially repeatable kind of modular engineering to keep it in long term.
Great. Mario, thank you so much for joining us in the studio today. It's been a great discussion. So thank you very much.
Same for you. Thank you.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about industrial automation and digital transformation, visit rockwellautomation.com.